Greetings. It is April 4th, 2022. I probably have a video up of this in its original black and white imagery. This is drawn on December 14th, 2012 out at La Push on the Pacific coast of northwest Washington State. And I'm sending it to a nephew and his spouse, who I haven't yet met. I decided to add a touch of color. So I put some kind of blue-green watercolor in the, like where the waves are coming in. And I also added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seagulls. All right, there you have it. To Sobrino Ravi y Esposa Pilar Viva, Unca Akiva, April 2022. Late afternoon, Seagulls, La Push, Segan, December 14th, 2012. All right, there you have it. There's seagulls in my apartment, but I have very foul FOWL housemates, roommates. 2 budgies over here. I want to say hi for the Neff and his wife. That's Hollywood starlet Blanche de Boyd. Here we have His Royal Highness Princess Sippy. She's a born singer, by the way. Loves to be on stage singing, chortling, chirping. Yes. Over here we have a Berkey Workey Museum Chief Curator, Ornithologist and Zoologist Chi, C-H-I. The acronym for Carol Heather Ivy. And the blue over there, that is Prime Minister Mazel Yaramovich. All right, very nice. I'm glad you enjoy seeing this artwork, which I showed them earlier. Very good. Good show. You can just see it. There we have it.